Finding the midpoint of non-Setosa petals. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So last video, we found our boundary of between Setosa and non-Setosa. And in this video, we are going to break this up and find our boundary between this group. So, all right. We're going to break this up a little bit. We're still going to be using, we really don't want to print those out because those aren't our max and min. So we're going to adjust this just a touch. And our midpoint is going to be, so we're going to go 1. Here we go. Let's comment that out. And that's a comma in range. So here we go. Okay, so now we're zoomed in. And now if we start to look here, we're going to find a boundary between these two right about right here. So these are the things that I really want that we need to start thinking about, because next video we're going to kind of borrow some code and look at it. Makes a mesh. I'm still working through it, but like I said, if you're new to this series, we're working this through this together. I'm only a few days ahead of you guys and the subject matter of these. So if you can see, these overlap. So we need to start to begin to find out where in the world the midpoint is. So we're going to be, we're going to be borrowing this. Min L equals, and this is going to be, 0, 1, and 2. Then min and max L, and this is, all right, this is 2. So we can go back here. You can see target. There we are. 0, 1, 2, and then target names. So you can see this target names. Setosa, Versicolor, and Virginica. So we had Setosa and then non-Setosa. Now we're splitting up Versicolor and Virginica. So there we go. And they're indexed 0, 1, 2. That's the combination. If you are just jumping into this series right here. Let's bring this up here. And then now we're going to do mid equals min L plus max L divided by 2, and bring this back on. Helps if you add the max. There we are. All right, now here we are. Let's make sure we can see everything. Okay, you can see that. And we're bringing this back. All right, so if you begin to look, this is the midway between, if you can see, we do have some overlap, but this is what is called noise. If we were to come through here and find perfect form fitting, then we would be bringing in, it'd be overfitting, noise and overfitting if it's fitting too perfectly, because then the algorithm is just memorizing points. So that's been an overarching theme that I have read over and over and over again. If you overtrain, you overfit, it is just memorization. Now, I can extrapolate that from my experience being as old as I am. You never want to memorize things. So when I first read that, that was a light bulb that went off in my head, because then you don't understand how it's making decisions. It's just constantly, you're just utilizing a computer of what it's good for, memorization. We are trying to step away from what a computer is good for and give it another tool, an algorithm to make a decision. You want to teach it, well, why is this? How is this subtle? What is so different about this? How is this one of these? And you want to have it learn, not memorize. So that has been a theme that I have really begun to wrap my head around. So next video, we're going to kind of do what we did with the petal. And we just kind of looked at it, and then we decided what we were going to do after that. So we're going to show a graph, because I really kind of need to figure out, because I want to learn and find, because I know it's in there, and I'm just trying to find the proper arguments of how these decision lines are being made. We're doing pretty rudimentary and crude decisions to have these lines being drawn, and they're just static or constant lines. Right here, these are horizontal lines. We could come through, I guess if we look really close, we could come and make a vertical line and probably be able to make a better decision. Because if we see, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side and 1, 2. And so the error rate, I guess we could check the error rate of this shortly. And then if we were to draw it through here, I guess we still have 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So about the same. But all right. Please join the Discord server if you're having any difficulties with this, and maybe we'll try to figure out how to walk through it together. But please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, so you're not missing any of these videos. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.